Welcome to today's blog on how to craft clear email campaigns for cleaning services. And what we're going to talk about is clarity and what clarity is, and show some examples of good examples and bad examples of how to apply clarity to an email campaign. And this can apply to cleaning services, janitorial, commercial cleaning, specialty, carpet cleaning services. The concept is the same, and it's one of the most critical parts of email or any kind of marketing, really. And my name is Shane Dubell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com. We are a marketing agency, and one of our main value propositions is, are your prospects fast or slow buyers? Because this is one of the most critical questions to ask in marketing, because then you know, are they impulsive? Are they research buyers? This all can change how we present information and how quickly they can get answers. So to get started, we're just going to go over real quick on what clarity is. In marketing, clarity refers to the ability to convey messages, to get a point across clear, concise, very easily, and to simplify a complex topic. Now, in my case, this is something that I have to constantly work on myself, even for the information I provide, is to optimize, double back. And generally what I do is double back and read a piece of content to see if I simplified it enough. So the person reading it that may not know anything about the topic can get a general grasp of the point you're trying to make, the intended message you're trying to get across. So that is what clarity is, and it is one of the most important things when it comes to optimizing a website, a Facebook ad, an email. Today we're going to focus on email marketing, and here are some parts of an email where we want to apply clarity. And the first one's going to be the subject line, because the subject line, people are making these millisecond decisions. And here's a good example: special offer, but we're giving a very specific amount, 20% off your next home cleaning. And a bad example is, don't miss out on our amazing deal. That is too vague. A deal on what? How much? So that this is a perfect example of clarity, that here at this top one, you're very specific that you're given 20% off, and it's on your next home cleaning. Or it could be a carpet cleaning or whatever it is you sell. The next section is a focus message. So an example would be to highlight one main offer and kind of keep it to one topic at a time, and instead of including multiple completely unrelated topics. So for instance, if you're talking about selling a move-in cleaning service or a move-out cleaning service, there's a sequence of services that go with that whole move-out cleaning process that are normal. And then there's, and this is another big part of marketing, is congruence. And what that means is harmony. Is if you're going to make an offer, make it in harmony. Another example is a simple design, and that's just a clean layout with easy to read fonts. And it's okay to go big and small, like just on this blog. There's slightly larger sections of letters, and some are bolded, and some of them even have a little color, but it's not excessive. So you can easily scan through this and understand the information. There's a couple other sections of an email, but I want to apply clarity to this video. And the CTA, the call to action. A good example is claim your discount, claim your voucher, book a call. And A vague one would be click here or learn more. Although for the case of learn more, there are times where people need to learn more. If it's a very large topic and you're only given a very small snippet of a couple sentences, then learn more would be practical. But in most cases, learn more is especially in email, would be just too vague. Learn more about what? So you want to expand this a little more and tell them specifically what they're learning more about, and instead of just being vague. And here's a good example and a bad example of an email. And you can see right in the subject line, get your home sparkling clean with our limited time offer. In the body, we are going to offer an exclusive discount of 20%. Now, we don't know enough about your company, so there's no way for us to plug in anything specific about what you want to talk about, what services you want to focus on. I would go even further, and you could say focus on a kitchen if you're a house cleaning service, or bathrooms, or the flooring, different types of flooring. Those are ways to make this more specific, and that's the main point we're trying to get off is to try to make this more specific, clearer. And that's what clarity is in marketing. And a bad example would be don't miss out. And people are going to think to themselves, well, don't miss out on what? What am I missing out on? It's so vague. It could be don't miss out on anything. They might not even notice that it's coming from your company or you personally, so that they might not tie into what they're missing out on. You'd want to expand this to don't miss out on 20% off or $50 off or something, our new service. It doesn't always have to be money. I'm talking about money just because it's just something simple that you will understand. It can be anything. It could be a new service that you want to introduce to people. It could be an add-on service, like you clean tile floors and you want to introduce them to your new sealer or something like that. I'm using money as an example, but don't get stuck in the weeds that you only have to do deals about money. So this concludes our quick little video on the importance of clarity in email campaigns, and we went through a couple different examples of what's good clarity, what's bad clarity, to help you process this and make your email campaigns even better than they currently are. And again, my name is Shane Dubell, and our company is methodcleanbiz.com. In the description, in the video description, you can click on any of our links to learn more information.